If you are completely removing the bar, it's the best idea to safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle. If you are just replacing the bushings, you don't need to do this. The rear sway bar is mounted to the torsion bar tube on both sides of the vehicle, red arrows, and connects to the trailing arms via a drop link on each side, yellow arrow. This photo illustrates the mounting point and bushing on the torsion bar tube, red arrow. You can also see how it connects to the drop link, yellow arrows, and where the drop links connect to the trailing arm, green arrow. It is the same for both sides. Do not remove the nut, yellow arrow, on the outside of the trailing arm that the drop link, red arrow, connects to. This is used in alignment and should not be disturbed. Use two 17mm wrenches or sockets to remove the nut and bolt connecting the drop link to the sway bar, red and yellow arrows. Use a 13mm socket and remove the two bolts on the sway bar mounting brackets, red arrows. When you remove the last bolt, the bar will be free, so be prepared. You can replace the bushing without removing the bar from the vehicle by just removing the mounting bracket, red arrow. The bushings are slit down the back so you can slip the old one off and easily install the new bushing. Do not use any petroleum-based lubricants as they will degrade the bushing. Now is a good time to clean and paint the bar if needed. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.